My name's Gavin Dudley and I'm the Vice President of Sales for Macquarie Data Centers, and isn't it fantastic to be in a data center today? So what is sovereign AI? Clearly AI means artificial intelligence, and sovereign means inside our country borders. And that means that being stored and maintained inside our country borders, the local country jurisdiction applies to that information and that processing of information. It means that it's protected under Australian laws, it's controlled under Australian laws, and often only accessed by Australians, and that protects your intellectual property. So why is sovereign AI important to companies? You need to take the view that at some stage in the future, every process, every company, every employee will be impacted by AI. It will make our lives greater. It'll give us access to better medical outcomes. It'll give us more time in our day. But with that great potential also comes a great risk. These decisions need to be made. Sometimes they'll be life-changing decisions, medical decisions that are made in an instant. We can't have them in the control of another country, of another government, of another organisation. It's super critical from an organisational perspective, from a company development perspective, from a country development perspective, from a productivity gain perspective, that we have those models here, that they are protected here, backed up here, maintained here, improved here. It's super important that they pick a data centre that can cope with that high performance environment, that is flexible enough to grow with the organisation, and that's experienced with AI workloads. Other countries around the world have started to see the importance of AI and the importance of where it resides, where the data resides, where the models reside. India was one of the first countries to regulate where AI on its citizens can be held and processed. We've also seen regulations start to rise from Canada, the UK, and actually also in China. The US is a bit different. They are relying mostly on every state to create their own AI legislation, but undoubtedly we will see a very great rise in regulation around AI in the very near future. The risk for Australian companies is clear. If they build an AI model offshore, not in a sovereign capability, at some stage in the future, the government's going to see how important AI is, and the government's going to regulate, and it's going to make it very difficult for those companies to then move that model back onshore into an AI infrastructure, a sovereign AI platform. It's much safer for a company, far less risky for them to start those processes thinking about sovereign AI from the get-go. For Australia, for Australians, it's so critical.